Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Hyundai Elantra's alternator. First, always disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Next, locate the alternator, typically found on the lower front of the engine. You might need to remove some parts, such as the serpentine belt or certain hoses, to gain clear access to the unit. Once you have clear access, loosen the tensioner pulley to carefully remove the serpentine belt. Then, disconnect all electrical connections from the alternator, including the main power wire and any smaller sensor wires. Finally, unbolt the alternator from its mounting brackets, which usually involves 2 or 3 bolts, and carefully remove it from the engine bay. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Quick recommendation: for a truly transformative perspective on personal finance, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. This book can truly change how you think about money. Find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After reconnecting the battery, start your Elantra and check the charging voltage. Ensure no warning lights appear. Now, carefully position the new alternator into its mounting brackets. Securely bolt it in place, ensuring all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect all electrical wires, making sure they are snug and correctly attached. Finally, reroute and tension the serpentine belt properly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.